We appreciate the opportunity to introduce you to the U.S. Group. We hope to show you why and how we can meet your denim apparel needs and exceed your expectations better than other vendors. This presentation will detail how the U.S. Group creates competitive advantages and will demonstrate how we can share these benefits with you. You'll see our strengths in providing reliable value, in our R&D and innovation, and in our progress towards sustainability. We'll start with a really quick introduction to the U.S. Group structure. The U.S. Group is a family-owned producer of fashion denim based mainly in Lahore, Pakistan. Our dedication and creativity in serving our customers has driven our steady growth, and our sales are now rising beyond $350 million a year. The U.S. Group directly employs some 20,000 staff in our manufacturing plants in Lahore and at our sales and design offices in world fashion centers. Our history and experience in the fashion business goes back to 1975. Two partners, Jawed Bhatti and Mian Ehsan, started as apparel traders, then began manufacturing a variety of lines and launched a brand called Leeds that's still used for shalwar suits and sweaters. After building our first manufacturing facility in 1985, we quickly became Pakistan's leading exporter of bottom wear, twill, and denim. The group name comes from initials of the original partners' eldest sons, Umar Ehsan and Sati Bhatti, and we just use US for the group and most of its operations. In 2007, we made the strategic choice to focus on denim, and we built the most modern denim manufacturing facility possible. We designed our new plants and operations to give the best brands everything they could demand in fashion denim and to deliver that value reliably. We've continued with that approach. We keep our technology and machinery up to the state of the art, investing in the best tools and bringing in industry experts to transfer the latest knowledge. This drive toward continual improvement has led to continued growth. The U.S. Group is a vertically integrated provider with the annual capacity to produce 36 million meters of fabric, along with 30 million units of apparel. This growth is all based on achieving results for our customers. We're known for our research, development, and innovation strengths, both in our fabrics and in our garment production, and for our leadership in sustainable production and use of PCI fiber. Mainly, our customers know us for our reliability and quality. We're proud to provide great denim for a wide range of brands, including names like Levi's, H&M, Primark, C&A, Kiabi, Tesco, and more. They know they can rely on the U.S. Group for the quality they need, for the industry certifications they require, and for the custom innovations they want. Our advantages allow us to deliver unbeatable value. Our facilities include 7 separate garment units, ensuring that each one of them is a manageable size and can focus on a similar set of customers. Their overall scope, centralized planning, and integration create efficiencies, and we're also able to coordinate their operations to deliver the best responses to customer needs. U.S. Group facilities and processes were designed and constructed for efficiency, and we're constantly developing even better ways to get the job done, like implementing a lean work-in-process system and our rigorous sampling and checking of all raw materials. This approach includes always investing in the best and most modern machinery. Here are some of those tools we're now using for efficiency, quality, and sustainability. Continuous flow washing with recirculation cuts wash times and slashes water and energy consumption. We're using the UP systems by Tonello for unparalleled liquor ratios, and our new pump-free Yilmac rainforest systems for the lowest water stone and enzyme washings. The latest G2 and G3 machines for ozone-based 100% waterless sustainable washing. High-capacity wrinkle baking ovens from Metod, Mactech, and Yilmac for thermal migration of resins applied to garments for permanent wrinkles or creases, and for Malavasi-coated pigment finishes. High-efficiency drying with the Big Mac extractor, saving time, electricity, and steam. The largest washing plant under one roof in our region, with a capacity of 50,000 pieces a day. A growing range of laser machines from Genealogia and VAV for efficient production of dry effects such as whiskers, scraping, ripping, and printing, with repeatability and without the dust from manual processes, keeping the production area clean. Tuckatex software for efficient fabric cutting, reducing fabric waste and time. Auto spreader and multi-layer tables to reduce the relaxing time required for fabric, especially stretch fabric, as compared to manual spreading. We monitor our labor productivity in terms of available minutes versus produced minutes. We currently assess that productivity on a daily basis using barcode scanning, and that enables us to provide additional incentives to the most effective employees. We amplify all this efficiency by controlling the whole process through successful implementation of our world-class Oracle Enterprise Resource Planning System. We not only direct and track all our operations and materials efficiently, we can also effectively measure that efficiency. We evaluate our productivity improvements using a standard minute value system. And we're using the 7-0 traffic light system to ensure quality of garment manufacturing by preventing defects at needlepoint. Results are posted using a smartphone app, noting faults for improvement. This feedback identifies any quality issues and guides any needed training, as well as adjusting the rate of audit sampling. The system helps operators focus on the details of quality production, and there are additional incentives for operators to achieve zero defects. We're also finding new and better ways to reduce lead times for both development and for production to give our customers greater flexibility. It starts with efficient planning with proper risk analysis and analysis of constraints. Then we speed the needed materials through our auto order system. Fabric is brought straight to our cutting tables, so quality is assured at the source. Chemicals and threads come directly from our suppliers' local warehouses. We have in-house leather patch and label printing, and of course, our in-house testing lab for quality control that is approved by customers such as H&M, JCPenney, Levi's, and J.Crew. We know the time it takes to make our products, and we know how and when we can squeeze that time tight to give our customers flexibility for ordering late and/or getting early delivery. We always keep a cushion of at least 5% on our production capacity. We're also able to shift production among our multiple facilities when you need that speed. The quality and responsiveness you get from the U.S. Group is also based on our supply chain. You can see our facilities and how we do business, but it's also important to you to know that our suppliers are just as socially and environmentally responsible and just as quality-focused. We take all the steps to ensure that in our supply chain. Just like our customers, we have a rigorous vendor selection process, and we use supplier conferences to give our vendors the background and understanding they need about our customers' requirements. As well, we only deal with certified chemical suppliers such as Novozymes, CHT, Dystar, and Garmin. We've mentioned just some of the efficiencies and equipment that are making us more sustainable. Progress towards sustainable jeans is important to the denim market, but it's crucial to our friends and neighbors in communities around Lahore and around the world. So the steps we're taking to lighten our environmental footprint on Pakistan and the planet also include improved processes, better technologies, and innovative fabric options. Processes like bioreducing make effluent easier to treat cleanly, and better chemistry lets water-safe dyeing cut half the water use, and even more for intense colors. Technologies include expanded water reuse in production from the plant we're now building, and our indigo recovery technique allows both water and dye reuse. Most important for you, we've been getting even more ready to deliver even more sustainable fabric options, from recycling to sustainable alternative fibers, to achievement of 100% BCI cotton use, as well as other cleaner, greener cotton possibilities. This has been a general introduction to the U.S. Group